Grand Rising family, Grand Rising love and peace. Today I wanted to bring you a live public announcement. Today at 11 o'clock, fam, at Arkansas Baptist College in Little Rock, Arkansas, we are having the second cohort graduation for the DYS program, the Department of Youth Services program that they have established on the compound. And in this program, fam, this is a boot camp. In 3 weeks, they come through those who are improved. I believe this time we have 11, 12 students, I believe, or under 15. I can't remember the number, but I know around 15 or so. So in this boot camp, once they graduate this boot camp successfully, they can come back and they can attend the college. They get 9 hours college credits. They be able to get the skill that pays the bills and get an opportunity to get a job, to change their environments. Because a lot of times it's be where we'll go back to. Sometimes, fam, we need to just go to a different place, a different setting, a different environment, especially if that environment was toxic. Sometimes the environment's not toxic, but if it is, it's good to switch it up. You know what I mean? So that's one thing that they're doing here, giving them opportunities, fam, to come back, live on campus, live in the dorms, go to school, go to work, learn to trade. Like, it's a win-win program, fam. And what I love about the program, fam, is that they didn't have nothing like this when I was coming up. And like I say, I am them. I went to DYS at 14, fam, and they didn't have nothing like this. You know what I mean? Like, at all. Like, from 14, I got out, and by 16, I went to prison. So I had a couple years of, still went to jail between that time. But you know what I mean? But I ended up going from 14 to 16, entering prison. You know, so if you don't have no good skill set, if you don't have no some mentors in your life that actually traveled the road that you are actually going in, it makes it hard, fam. And I understand now. That's why I know the calling, it was meant for me to come here, come back here, help set this program up, be a part of the program. Like I say, it's in the early stages, fam. You know, we're just getting started, figuring out the kinks, learning the program, how we need to operate it correctly. But we're getting started, fam. You know, people can knock a lot of things, but they don't start nothing. You know what I'm saying? We're actually getting started, helping some people, fam, and it really, really can change the trajectory of our youth, fam. We should have more of them becoming entrepreneurs and business owners and great engineers and starting great careers versus the prison rate going up and they having to always build more because we throwing more and more in there and more. It's like, come on, fam, you know? So, you know, we're trying to help the underdogs, fam. Black, white, brown. It doesn't matter, fam. If you're an underdog and you want an opportunity, it's an opportunity here. So I'm happy and humbled that I'm a part of the program. And like I say, today, 11 o'clock, the graduation will be in the main on the second floor, I believe. So come down, fam. Check it out. If you know someone, tell someone about the program. Tell them to come down here. Just check the graduation out. See what the students has done in this 3-week setting, fam. Will blow your mind. What they have learned, what they have built, what ideas they now have, fam. You know, it's encouraging. So I would just motivate anyone, if you in Little Rock, surrounding areas, come down here and check it out, fam. Also, I wanted to give a big public announcement to those who want to dive into the welding program here at Arkansas Baptist College. So there's a few different ways that they're doing it, but one way for sure I can tell you to get in is through the adult education here on the college grounds. They're actually paying for you to go to the program, but there are some things you have to do for them in order for this to happen. So if you don't have the finances, don't worry about contacting me, asking me how much. If you don't have the finances, just contact them. 501-420-1354. 501-420-1354. Just talk to that lady. She's going to give you everything you need so that way you can come in. We want to help you, fam. It's not like no one's, oh, we don't want you to get in. Nah, you might not can't get in when you want to, so the waiting list is building up. But we still want to help you, and we still going to help you, fam. So it might be longer, you know what I mean? But the goal is to have the program at a 6 weeks rotation. And it'll be about a week or maybe 2 between each classes, depending on what's going on. That's it. But normally about a week, and then we'll keep it rolling. So the goal is to keep the classes on a rotation, and then when it comes to the college, that's a whole different program because that's going to be tied into their academics, so that's different. But for those who are coming from the streets, those who are coming from other jobs, those who have seen the signs and you're 18 or older, or your parents or loved ones say, man, you need a skill, you need a trade. Visit meta24.org, fam. Find out about the skills here. You can actually come here. You can get your CDL. You can go through the simulator and learn the CDL, where you can go in and take the test, fam. You can come down and do clothing. They made this for me. Check out the gear. They got the shirt, put my logo on it like this. They hooked me up. You know what I mean? This is Meta24, fam. You know what I mean? They got the podcasting set up. They got the editing for it to do music, and they about to build a booth for that so they can really have a nice sound. And then they got it where they can do infomercials and, man, fam, cable slicing, 3D printing, like the list goes on. That's 11 different labs, fam. 11 different labs intertwined in the college. Why are you learning? Why are you doing your basics and you're getting your degree? It's a win-win, fam. I don't know where. There is, no one is doing this in the country, fam, what they're doing here at Arkansas Baptist College. I'm just going to be real, fam. No one is doing it. I haven't seen it, but no one is doing it here, fam. So tell someone about the program. Learn more about meta24.org. Learn more about what Dr. Prince has built out of Chicago, fam. It will blow your mind, fam. And it's here, it's in your backyard. Like, people would say, I want a better job. I want to do this. I want to better this, but they ain't getting no better skills, fam. Skills pay the bills. You increase your skill set, you increase your money. So just let's think about this on a small level. Here in Arkansas, minimum wage is around $11 an hour. So if you're making $11, you're making $11.50 or $12, and just say you come into the program for 6 weeks or 8 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks, and you leave here and you attend the whole time, and you leave here and you can give yourself a $5 raise. That meaning you went from that to $17 to $18 to $19 on a realistic level. Where are they doing that at, fam? What job can you work that good on? They're gonna give you a $5 raise in 8 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks. Come on. You can do yourself like that, though, when you get educated, when you level up. Skills pay the bills, fam. That's why this opportunity is grand here. You know, because not only can you level up your skill set, you also get the opportunity to learn more about entrepreneurship, how to start a business, how to get your side hustle, how to get yourself established so you can stop depending on the system. You know what I mean? You ain't got to wait in line for no government cheese once you get that skill, fam. But if you don't, you got to wait in line to get it like everybody else got to wait in line to get it, fam. It's what it is. But once you get the skill set, though, fam, there's so much you can do. And that's why I'm here. That's why I appreciate Coach Fitz, Dr. Prince, and Dr. Fitz, who's also a coach and who's one of the past presidents of the college here. He served 10 years, I believe, 10 years here. I'm thankful for the opportunity that they give me to come here and to help build the program, fam, because I'm building this from scratch, fam. You know, we're trying something new. We got a vision and we got to put it together. You know what I'm saying? It got to look like something, fam. So we're making it happen, putting it together, and it's a team, fam. You know, and I was thinking about it the other day. It's an ironic team. But they say a 3-chord fold, fam, is hard to be broken. That's what the scriptures say. You know what I mean? And we got a team, man. Coach Fitz, I'm going to say Coach Fitz, Dr. Prince, and myself, you know what I mean? Like, we're working on something, fam. And sometimes you don't know how things are going to go. You just got to stay consistent and stay focused, fam. So we're doing some great things here. So I would recommend people to find out more about the Meta24 program, fam. Meta24.org. Find out more about it. And like I say, if you're in the local area and you want to learn more about these programs that they do have to offer, so they have CNA, they have CDL, and they got welding. Those are the 3 trades, skills you can get through the adult education here at the Arkansas Baptist College. Welding, CDL, CNA. That's what you can get here through the adult education that they would pay for. But you got to call them and find out the testing or whatever you have to do to qualify. The number is 501-420-1354. 501-420-1354. I love to get that information out, fam, because they going to help you, fam. Contacting me, asking me questions, man, how I get in? I just gave you the number. You know what I'm saying? I know you heard me, fam. Utilize the information. That's another thing, fam. We got to listen, fam, because times are getting critical. We got to listen, and we got to do our own research. We can't just listen to what people tell us. We got to open up the book or listen to listen to the song. Like, listen to it, fam, so that way we ain't missing nothing. Because you know what they say, just because you don't know, it doesn't mean you're innocent. We think, man, I don't know. You still going to jail if you do something you don't know. I didn't know that was wrong. It was wrong. That's the way they go, fam. So we have to do our own research, fam. So I just wanted to go live, tell everybody about the graduation today. It's 11 o'clock in the old main building at Arkansas Baptist College here in Little Rock, Arkansas, fam. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell someone about the program. Get signed up, get on the waiting list, fam. Like, there's a lot of great things going on. And to my students, fam, oh my goodness. Coming out of high school now. Like I say, this program is getting structured, fam, but you have to take advantage of it, fam. Don't sit around and wait somebody to give it to you. You got to go get it, fam. You got to wake yourself up. You can't depend on somebody else to wake you up if you're real hungry, fam. So if you're hungry and you really want to change your life, come to Arkansas Baptist College. Learn more about the Meta 24 program. Talk to the people in the Adult Education. Learn more about what they got going on here, fam. If you're trying to get the skills to pay the bills, fam, be blessed. Hog on.